Okay, welcome back. Hidden Acres Homestead NC, you know that by now. What we're doing today, we have a new queen. Because what we think we have in this hive is a failed queen. Which means they either killed her when she came out or she's not laying or something. But before we stick this new queen in there, we're going to try and make sure. Turn that around, sun, babe, so I can see it. We're going to make sure that we don't have a queen bee hiding in here and that we don't have any eggs or any larvae. They released this queen 8 days ago that we know of, so it could have been longer than that, which means certainly by today, if she were laying eggs, we should have some capped larvae. And I hadn't seen any evidence of that, but my eyeballs are almost 60 years old and I can't see crap. So you old farts know what I'm talking about. So we're going to let my young-eyed wife, she's gorgeous too, by the way, we're going to let her take a look and see what she sees. And if she pulls these frames up, I'm just going to kind of look and see if maybe we have a queen running the bottom board. Because this hive ain't doing too well. It's been raining all day. But this is her first time ever pulling the hives apart. And I've only done it a couple of times, and if you saw our channel, you saw where maybe it's a good idea that she's the one doing this. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and look at our last video. Oh man, go ahead and pull that frame up so I can see if she's in that bunch that just fell.
Hold on, they're not happy, just chill.
Oh, they're fine. They're not lined up looking at you.
Oh, okay, Mr. I'd drop it.
It slipped. Shh. Alright, I don't see her. I don't see any evidence of her. But they're already hanging out with the new queen. We did not smoke these bees, and it's rather windy and a little bit chilly. So she's brave.
There's no eggs anywhere.
We didn't see any eggs anywhere. No eggs? Well, that's all we need to know then. Then that's all we need, right? Slide that one over and just set her down between them. Like that. Now she's in there with the candy side down, the cork's been pulled, and let's see the reaction that they have to her already. Let's see. Hang on. I mean, get away from me. Blue. No, you can't. You got a mask on. What? You know, some of those things already look like they're.
Don't throw the queen.
I'm not. Well, we'll send that little clip to Caitlin and see what she thinks about their reaction. Because like I said, there's no eggs, no larvae.
I still think it'll be viable if they'll accept that queen.
Yeah. All right. Now, as for you, Miss First in Flies, I'm a fly fisherman. All right, what you gonna say?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. See you next time. Tell them bye.